Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this episode, we will do the comparison of two famous website translation plugins. One is GTranslate and another one is Conveythis.com. So if you're interested to find out which website translation plugin is better, please sit down, relax, and continue watching. Let's go. So to do the comparison, we've done four major categories. Category number one is the ease of integration. Number two is ease of customization. Number three is ease of proofreading. And number four is search engine optimization marketing aspect. So, category number one, how easy is to download, activate, and install the plugin on your website. GTranslate is fairly easy to download. They have their own plugin in a WordPress directory. And Conveythis are also easy to download and install. They also have their plugin into WordPress directory. All you have to do is to log in into your WordPress website and find those plugins and install them. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. So they both are equal, and we give them both equal review. Number two category is the ease of customization. Are you able to change the shape and location of your language widget? Are you able to integrate it somewhere into your menu, into a footer, or like on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page? Do you have enough freedom to do that? And in our tests, the Conveythis excelled more in that regard. Conveythis offers customization based on positioning of the widget on top of the page, on the bottom. It can have the denting outside of the border of the page. It can also be integrated into the menu. You can use your shortcodes to install the language switchers into your WordPress menu. And on top of this, Conveythis offers customizations by div ID. If you're handy with your CSS, if you're a great master, you know your source code, you can extract the div ID and append the language switcher to that element. So this ultimately gives you a lot of freedom, and on top of that you can also customize the flags, their shapes, you can replace some flags. For example, if you live in Canada and you speak Canadian French, but your default installation shows the French flag of France, you can replace with the Canadian flag with the maple leaf and be happy with that. So it allows you to customize that, and Conveythis excels more in this category. Moving on, category number three is the ease of proofreading. As you know, machine translation is still not a great quality, and if you are running a production website, it's an online store, you sell some goods, services, online courses, it is in your best interest to bring some human beings to review your machine translations, just in case you can't speak all the languages in the world, like Arabic and French and Japanese. So somebody else has to review them to make sure they are not of laughable quality, and you can use them on your website. Conveythis offers two interfaces to do that. One is the classic interface. You can do it line by line in a text-only mode. And the second newer interface is a visual interface. You can load your web page in a browser, click on elements on the page, and edit them inside of that browser. So it's very easy to do the job. And on top of that, they also partnered with the company Translation Services USA in New York City, and they can bring the qualified linguists to proofread your website, which is much faster and offers money-back guarantee, quality, and stuff like that. So it's a better all-inclusive approach to proofreading. So Conveythis wins in this category. And number four, the last one, is the search engine optimization aspect. When it comes to WordPress, both plugins are easy to use, and they also create the additional directories which could be spidered by search engines such as Google and Bing, and therefore these web pages could bring you additional traffic to your website. We've done some studies and we find out that the customers who activate their 5 major languages such as Spanish, French, Arabic, Russian, and Chinese, they've seen increase in their organic traffic up to 50% without any additional marketing efforts. So this is the search engine optimization plus that both of these plugins are offering. And on top of this, Conveythis also works not just with WordPress. It can also work with any other CMS such as Shopify, Wix.com, Weebly, Joomla, and stuff like that. So it's a way more versatile solution, and therefore, if I would be comparing them on that regard, Conveythis wins in this arena as well. So by this time, you're probably now able to make a decision which plugin you would like to use for your ongoing translation needs. Whether you need support, whether you need proofreading, you decide. So let me know what you think in the commentary to this video, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.